Class, we're going to be watching this MotoStars video. This is something that we do all the time every Friday. So let's just go and jump right into it. This way we know what's going on after a crash, during a crash, and figure out what not to do. So let's go ahead and look at
this right
Scratch 83.
Brake, but run into a slight crest just before the bend, which made...
Okay, crest of the hill. You got to watch out for that crest of the hill. And then we got a sharp turn. Couldn't see that sharp turn because the crest of the hill blocked your line of sight. We might be talking about that one a little bit more after we go through this whole video. So ape versus machine. Okay, the road looks a little terrible, but you know, sun in the eyes. Ooh, lost a little rear traction on that. A little bit too wet. You gotta watch out for that kind of stuff. So nice smooth throttle inputs. This looks like he's going a little fast. He's going faster than that traffic right there. Okay. He's moving into your lane, not paying attention. Why would they move into that lane? Look at big, long line, small.
I gotta do time.
Yep. There's no one there, so they're gonna move over there.
Unfortunately, quite sudden braking of the driver and the moment...
Okay, good line of sight. I like this. Okay, switch over. They're merging onto the interstate. Oh, wait. No, you want to go ahead and move over. Okay, so good line of sight. Space cushion is terrible, though. Weren't paying attention. So you want to increase your space cushion while looking for a line of sight. That's part of planning your ride. Make sure you guys pay attention to that position for safety. All right, where's some gear? I already see a t-shirt. Come on now. First motorcycle slide. Going around a turn. Ooh, there's that elbow going down. That's why you have armor and abrasion resistance in your jacket. You saw how he just started sliding. That's no buenos. Now, is this car driver going to rescue this rider? Who knows? Who knows? But remember, ensure your own safety. You're on the sidewalk. You're doing fine now. Have fun showering with that arm. It's going to burn. BKR?
Excessive speed and braking too sharply turns up to...
Alright, going a little too fast. Going a little too fast.
The biker is lucky that the driver saw him and slowed down at the...
This reminds me of Dark Knight Returns or something. Oh! What do you think happened? Did he clip this rider? No, I think what he did was a panic brake. He saw that car pull out, panic brake, instead of swerving. You know what would have saved him on this? Not hauling ass. So don't do that. Don't haul ass. Was not paying attention. Definite brown stage. Definite brown stage. But now that he's there, looks like he's walking, he's moving, so he's fine. He's got some gear. Egos are bruised. Hopefully the bike is only damaged and not him. Honestly, guys, you do what you want to do. Hopefully you have insurance. Hopefully you have money to pay for it. Hopefully you can take the risks and your family can take the risks. But I don't want to see anybody hurt, right? Thursday night, bike night end. Oh, bad end. Uh-oh. They usually do. They usually end pretty bad towards the end. A lot of people get drunk. A lot of people act stupid. This is why I don't like doing bike nights at bars. If I'm going to a bike night at a bar, I'm not bringing my bike. Because I'm going to have a drink and I'm going to get an Uber. But you do you. Just gotta watch out. We got multiple patients. Looks like we have at least 3 motorcycles down. I don't know if there's any passengers on any of those motorcycles, so we could have a possibility of 6. Hopefully everyone here has a rescue kit doing some type of assessment on any of the injured riders. My biggest fear for that was gonna be getting hit by another vehicle. Yeah. There's no such thing as a blind spot in a vehicle with rear passenger windows if you turn your head and look. That's true. There's no such thing as a blind spot. They should have looked. They definitely should have, but remember, inattentional blindness. A lot of car drivers only see other cars because their brain literally says look for only other cars, because there's only so much a brain can do and process. So just probably didn't see him or didn't look. Could have been one or the other. The Maj. Okay, big long line here. Watch out. This is a bus. You usually have traffic or people moving across. But that person was waiting. A lot of people don't like to wait, so they're going to move over. So be very careful with that. Ooh, dash cam. Here we go. Oh! I don't know if that's a throwaway. Look at she's all freaking out. Help him out. I don't see any deformities on that guy on the ground. Usually like a deformity would be like a broken arm. So hopefully they're doing fine.
In such a situation, the slightest mistake can have big consequences, and this was also the case, giving the biker a valuable lesson.
Yeah, MotoStars, slight mistakes on a motorcycle can easily have big consequences. It's a high risk thing. Oh, we hit a curb. Now we're gonna hit the ground. So that massive impact, it's his head. It's his head. That's why you wear a helmet. You can have some injuries, traumatic brain injuries. All right, so we have police on scene. They're directing traffic. A lot of idiots out there. People just don't know what they're doing, so the motorcycle rider is going to go ahead and go forward. Sometimes it's better just to wait a little bit. Let idiots be idiots in front of you. Okay, blurring. Ooh.
Oh, damn.
So good job on that progressive braking and actually recognizing it. You don't need to follow. There's no reason to. It's not your job. You just move on with your day. You don't need to have a chat. You really don't.
You could have killed us, man.
Yeah, don't block anybody. Just kind of move on. Idiot driver didn't say a word. He knew he messed up. Exactly. That's what you're gonna get out of this. But what you did was, instead of turning left like you wanted to, you're gonna turn right and accelerate at a high rate of speed. So possibly get yourself a ticket. And what are you gonna tell the officer? I wanted to talk to him because he ran the red light. Well, I didn't see him run the red light. I saw you speeding. So what do you want me to do? That's gonna be the biggest problem that you're gonna have. Oh, almost went off. Okay, so remember, these motorcycles are like 400, 500, 600 pounds, depending on what you have, on top of your body, and they have hot parts. So the engine, you got fluids that are hot. The oil is extremely hot. You're gonna be just burning yourself. So this is what you call an emergency move. You want to take that motorcycle off him, but you also don't want to pivot the bottom part on top of him. So kind of like a crowbar where you have a pivot point, the fulcrum. You don't want to use his body as one. So they did a good job using that front to lift it off and kind of pivot around. But that's painful. That's painful. So hopefully he doesn't have any broken bones. I see him guarding his right leg, and he's not wanting to get up. See his helmet completely smashed. His visor just kind of went off. His screen went off. So it was compressed. It was compressed to pop it off. So if it wasn't for that helmet, he probably would have a broken. Oh, probably would have had a broken skull, skull fracture. Motorcycle nearly hit by a train. What are you doing? See, high risk. What's the word? Okay. Whoa. Wasn't paying attention. Found an escape route. Accelerated a little bit. Gotta look both ways. You don't want to move the person ball, but that machine could cause more damage just staying on top of the person. So lifting the bike off of a patient, you can do that. If he wanted to get up, that's on him, but lifting the motorcycle up off the person is very important. It's 500 pounds, and you can start getting third, second, all those types of degrees of burns just by having the motorcycle on him. Oh, did you keep your lock on?
Yeah.
You kept the lock on. Damn. Oh, man.
Completely forgot.
I've only seen that 2 or 3 times. So to me, it just seems kind of uncommon. Friction zona. Okay. Sharp left turn. Pay attention. Don't look back. There's the gravel. We're going to go off-road. Keep it. Don't slam anything. Keep it straight. Hey, that works. So lesson learned. Look where you need to go. Don't look back in the opposite way. But you did a great job. So going off-road, keep your handlebars straight. Slowly apply those brakes. Dashini, Australia. All right. Well, we got the rear view or the front view. Okay. Watch out for that truck. The truck's acting like an idiot. This is going to be a right turn only. All these trucks are idiots. Woo. Hey, Ford Raptor, don't you know that there's a big semi up in front and you got to be slowing down for?